How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I want to do an update on AMC here and kind of see, are we getting that second squeeze that we're usually get on these rallies? And this is a meme stock rally hype. So when I looked at this thing and was able to look at the top here, I used an 8 average to range for my system. If you guys don't know, this is the band strategy. I usually look for bottom reversals at the lower band, but we hit an average to range up in here. This was the best shorting opportunity of a lifetime to make serious money to the downside. So we went from $11, and right now we're sitting at $4.49. So with this system, we definitely do not buy if we're at the close to the upper band here. We just don't do it. It's just very risky. If we miss the play, we let it play out and we let it come to us. Right in here, I'm starting to look for under the EMA 20 because if you look at my exponential moving averages, I have the purple, blue, yellow, and the blue. These are my exponential moving averages. I only use 5, 10, and 20 because I see like these are the most relevant to get these shorter term gains. So price has to revert to the mean. Well, you might ask, well, what is the reversion to the mean? That's going to be your EMA 20, and it does it very fast. And it will do it all the time. As you can see, anytime in price history, where are you going to? You go down, you hit the reversion of the mean at the EMA 20. Everywhere you look, every time you have a correction down, you revert to the mean, which is your EMA 10 and 20. 10 hits faster, and then EMA 5 will hit faster. So, right in here, we have AMC. Way down here, we get below the EMA 20. We have reverted to the mean. It accomplished their mission, and algos can do whatever they want to make it go up. This is not like my perfect setup, I'll be honest with you. I just went over BNED. It was a beautiful setup, and I'll probably try to show you guys that. But GME was a really good setup. So basically, we go under the band. We go slightly under. We don't have like a massive like area to make money. I mean, we have some black space in here, and I like this long, lower wick. But if you look at, I tell a lot of people I look at the EMA 5. That's just going to be your most conservative game. So we were at 410. EMA 5 was at 458. So there was some decent move to get. But look what it does. It shoots all the way up to 570 from a low of $4. And it shoots back down. And this is what we're using now as the trampoline effect. Hits the EMA 10. Rides it up, goes all the way back here, and are we going to hold this trampoline? So that's the question. I don't think this meme stock rally is done. Usually, if you look at the past, and even the past, this setting has, caught the top of these meme stock rallies. I'm going to show you the past. I believe there was a second rally when it happened, if I'm correct. Here's here it is, right here. So we have the rally. That's it, right? Yeah, that's it. So we had this second rally right in here. It goes all the way up, and it just can't sustain it. But it looks like we kind of had this rally that goes all the way down here, hits this EMA 10 for a bounce effect, and then it goes up. So not as big as I really thought. Here was the next rally we had. But as you can see, price cannot sustain, I think it was this one. Price cannot sustain these upper bands, right? It goes there, and where does it hit to a T? The EMA 5 and 10 so fast. So we need to be very careful if price does do that. I really don't think we're going to get that. So we need to be, look for, scaling your conservative games. I'm going to go back to an ATR4. I'm going to show you guys the bottom reversal play before I get too deep into this and what I think is going to happen. We want to look for bottom reversal plays that hit the lower band. I'm telling you guys, if you guys stick to this, you will make consistent returns. It's the best way to stay in the market. You have time distance of not hitting the 10 and 20, price goes to the bottom band, and guess what you do? You hit all these EMAs here to make nice conservative gains. Same thing with this one right in here. You hit the bottom band with time distance of lots of EMA 5, and bam, a nice gain right in here. And it just shows it repeatedly. Bottom band touch, EMA 5, massive time distance to it, and guess what? Bam, hits it. So, what would I do right in this scenario? Obviously, I do not want to chase. I want to make sure we pull back down, right? I would love for a pullback down to that, at least to the EMA 10 again, because you want to base it on the trampoline effect. We did it one time already. Maybe the second time is fine, but this is not one of my best setups. I'll show you GME. This is kind of what I really liked. Because look over right here, we had massive, time distance from the EMA 5 here, and I discussed that in my Discord if you want to join. Look at all these candles just consolidating perfectly. Here's your big depressing candle that gets everyone out of the market. I'm in the market when that happens, and bam, we shoot up, and this thing has just been nice, right? So AMC, that's my prediction. That's my analysis. Definitely wait for the pullback. You want to get as precise entries as possible. And if it does go below the EMA 20, look for this same setup again for that EMA 5 touch to give you like the most conservative target. That way you have very nice entries. But this one's kind of a harder one. I do think it's going to rally big, but it is in this nice range here. And you'd be better off getting it at the bottom range than like in the middle of this range. That's what I would suggest here, guys. I hope you guys like this analysis. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and have your chart to look like this, where you know where to book your entries, know where to exit, and know where to get conservative gains so you stay in the market each and every day, you can join the premium Discord. It's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. When you click the link down below into the YouTube comments, there'll be a pinned comment that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and entries for my alerts and system. And when you do click that link, it takes you to this free chat landing page. If you are in green, it means you're a subscriber. So as you can see, this guy has a green supporter icon. If you want to subscribe, read how to subscribe. Very, very knowledgeable stuff. It's very easy. And also read the avoid scammers. If anybody message you in my name or friend request you, that is not me. I never DM first, so do keep that in mind. If you want to subscribe, the easiest way to do is hit premium chat on the subscriptions tab over here, and it'll alert you in for only $6 a month. It is probably the cheapest thing you guys will ever afford. And I promise you, if you can put a little effort into trading and do this system, I will make you profitable. I'm not here to make you millionaires, but I promise you it'll be profitable. And over time, when your account grows and grows and grows, you'll be making much more profits. So that way, when you get a 5%, 10%, or even a 20%, it's massive, right? So when you subscribe, do it on computer. It is slightly cheaper, trying to save you some money. If you do it on your phone, it charges an iOS fee of $1 or $2. What you're going to get in this channel is my alerts. You can see my exact alerts, and you get notified on your phone when I buy into something, so you never miss out. Education videos, I always post new videos here for you to watch. And then RTK Journal is a new improved thing, because I try to be like, what is other Discords not doing? How do I get full transparency? Well, have a journal. Have a journal where you guys can see my exact trades I'm in, the stocks I'm in with my averages, and it's very easy to locate, right? So this right here, if you ever wondered what stocks I'm in with my win ratio, you can see here, I'm here to prove that you can win over 95% of your trades if you stick to this system, right? So hope you guys like this analysis on AMC. I really do want to wait for the trampoline effect, but the best case scenario is waiting for under the EMA 20 like this, little time distance for that shoot back up and trail and stop it. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, do that. You get your system to look like this. And if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. My bread and reversal type of trades, where I make all my money, is on these systems here. Is you trade the inverse at the bottom band. Hope to see you guys there, and peace out.